Hey flowers, it's your Reese LaFleur. I'm back with another video. What's up, how you doing, this is definitely not a tutorial that I would ever have done or thought I would be doing, but you know what, I'm gonna do it because people are loving it. I posted on Facebook just because I was proud of myself and people are loving it. So I'm going to show you guys how to do and edit your home screen on the new iOS 14 update for iPhones. And yeah, that's really what we're doing in this tutorial. If you are new here, most of my videos are usually fashion videos, hair videos, nail videos, baddie of all trade type videos. I do all of that kind of stuff, makeup and all of that goody good. And if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you stay. Hit the subscribe button and make sure that you turn on your post notifications so anytime I upload a video, you're notified. Make sure that you share this video with your friends, comment down below, all of that good stuff. And I hope after you viewing this video, you decide that you want to stick with the kid. I guess if there's something else like this kind of tutorial, I'll do them once in a while. This will be in my miscellaneous section, but who knows. But let's get right into the tutorial because I don't want to talk too much or whatever. Okay, you guys, so I actually tried to do this because my sister wanted me to do this and on her phone, and I did start, but the way that I filmed it or like screen recorded it or the way I was doing it on her phone was hella chaotic, so it doesn't make sense. So what I'm going to do is I'm screen recording on my phone right now. I'll go through and show you the pages, and then I'll start showing you. Everything will be here, of course, and I'll go through and I'll start showing you how to do your widgets and all of that. Okay, so here we go. So here is how my screen looks. This is the first page, second page, third page, fourth page, fifth page, and sixth page, right? So these are the 6 pages, and I group mine with like regular stuff, like normal kind of like calculator, weather, and all of that kind of stuff. And then I thought I put this one do not sorry about the notifications. Then this one is going to be like my photo apps because I do have a YouTube channel and all of that. I use all those kind of apps, so I decided to do all my photos and pictures in my camera on this side. Then this is going to be all my social media apps, my YouTube and all of that, TikTok, Facebook, all of that. That's this one, and I decided to call, yeah. And then the next one is going to be my money page. So this is my money. Didn't I put my phone on do not dis? I didn't. That's why. That's what's happening. So I'm also going to, this is the money page, so it's like hustle, get that money up, sis. That's all my money stuff and a few of my food apps that I always use. And then this is my shopping page because I love to shop, so all my apps are designer apps. No, they're not. And then this is my travel page. So the one that I'm going to show you how to do is this Roku one. That's the one that I'm going to show you how to switch the name of your apps. But first I'm going to show you the widgets and all of that and whatever apps that you need. So I'm going to go to my app library and I'll show you the apps that you need. So the app that you need for this is Color Widget. That's how it looks right there. That one at the top. That's the one that you need. You need that one. You need Widget Smith. Okay, which is that one right there. And then you need shortcuts, which shortcuts are supposed to come with your phone already. Ooh, that's what you need. That's what you need, shortcuts. And then you need Pinterest. Pinterest is what I use the most to find my pictures and stuff like that, because Pinterest just has this cute aesthetic. No matter what you're looking for, Pinterest is going to have something for your style, for whatever you want, whatever color. Pinterest is going to have it. Alright, so I'm going to close this out. So the first thing that I did when I started this is I went to the first page, or I did the first page, and I wanted the first page to have this calendar kind of moment with the color widgets. And the only thing that does this is the color widgets, and you can change your background behind it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to color widgets. Boom. And what you do is, you see, as you can see here, this is my current active widget. So you can go to the widget, and then in the widget you can scroll down and then you'll see background image. So you can add a photo, you can keep the photo that I already have, you can change that one, and you'll just click and then go through your photos and pick whatever photo that you would like. Of course, we picked these roses. I'm just going to pick it again just for the sake of picking it, and then you set the widget. Once you set it, it'll pop up here. Well, I'm lying. Once you set it, that's how it will look, and this is how you add a widget to the screen. So I'm going to hold this down, and you're going to hit add, and then you're going to go down to color widgets. Oop, that's wrong app. color widgets, and then you can pick the way you want the widget to look, which I've already picked. I don't know why it's blinking. You're going to go ahead and pick whatever widget that you would like, and that's the widget, and then you just add it wherever you want, right? So that's how you make those widgets. Alright, that's that first widget that most people are putting with the clock, and you could do different sizes. So the next thing that you're going to do is, if you want to have these bigger widgets or these different size widgets, you see I have the shop, the pictures of me. Now with the pictures of myself, because I wanted that pink girly, super girly aesthetic, what I did was I used my PicsArt app. This is not something that everybody would have to do, because they, you know, might want to use their pictures like just how the pictures are if they want a picture of themselves. But I felt like it would have been a cuter aesthetic, and that's why I did it like that, to have like a glitter overlay. So if, you know what, let me just show you how I did that. So I'm going to go to PicsArt. And then from PicsArt, you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to, okay, you're going to go ahead and you're going to hit the add button. And then let's just pick a random picture or photos. We'll do this one because it's just right here. Alright, so then you're going to hit add photo. And then when you add photo, oh, did I delete all those glitter pictures? I did. We'll just put the roses over it just for the effect of the tutorial. So I'm just gonna, because I deleted it, I'm just gonna put the roses over it. So you're gonna add that to the screen, and then you're gonna cover the whole screen with this. You can just pinch it out, go all the way over it. And once that's done, you're gonna go blend, and I hit multiply for the way that I wanted it to look, or you can hit overlay. Or you can hit overlay if that's how you want it, or soft light. It depends on how you want it to look. Just as long as it looks like you're in the rows or whatever. So those are the different ways that it'll look. And once you do that, all you have to do is change the opacity. So you could change this opacity to look like this or whatever, like that. Like you could change it, make it darker, make it really light or whatever, however you want to do it. And then you just hit apply just for the sake of the tutorial. And then you hit next, and then you just save the photo. And then you download, right? So for the sake of the tutorial, we're just going to go ahead and use that as our next widget. So we're going to go to Widget Smith. And this is how you make the different widgets. So these are all my widgets that I have on my page right now. And you can do different sizes. So I'm going to add let's just add a large one. So we're going to add a large widget. And when you go to Widget Smith and you add the large widget, a new widget is going to pop up with the time. All you have to do is click that widget. So you're going to go to default widget. You're going to go to style, should be what it is. And then you're going to hit photo. And then go to select photo. You're going to choose the photo, and we're going to just choose the last photo that we just had. And then you're going to hit the back. You're going to hit the back button on large 2. And then you're going to make sure that you hit save. If you do not hit save, that widget doesn't save the way you want it to. So that's a widget right there. And then again, to add it, let me make a new page for this tutorial. Boom. So to add the widget, you're going to hit add, and then you're going to go down to Widget Smith, or you could just type in Widget Smith. You're going to go to large, and then hit add widget. And then that widget is going to pop up, right? Boom, period. Easy, simple, cute. So that's how you do your widgets. So now the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to want to figure out how to do your apps. Now this one, it takes a little bit more steps, but it's not that hard. So we're going to go to the Shortcuts app. And as you can see, I have all these shortcuts. Now, if you're not one to do this, I'm going to show you this before I continue. If you're not going to be one to like how this looks, child, don't do it. So I'm going to click an app so you can see what it does. It's going to take you to shortcuts first and then take you to the app. If you do not mind doing that, go ahead. If you're someone that knows that you need to have notifications and all of that, kind of like the notification numbers at the top of your app, this might not be for you because you're no longer going to have notifications. Your notifications will, of course, be in the notification section, of course, the notification center, but you will not be able to have notifications. So if you're the type of person that you don't text good enough and or whatever, your messages, like I have no notifications with my messages, none of that. Like, so these are my messages, and it goes to the app or whatever. So just keep that in mind. Like when you do these shortcuts, it's gonna go to the shortcut and then take you straight to your app. And that's how you do the pictures. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to the shortcuts app. And then you're gonna go to the plus sign, which is in the top right corner. And then you're going to hit add action. And the action you're going to hit is open. You're going to type in open app. You're going to hit open app. And then you get to choose the app that you want to open. So we're going to do the Roku. That's the remote from my TV. Right? And once you do that, you're going to hit these 3 dots right here. And then you're going to add in the shortcut name, which will be the same name as the app. If you want to call it Stupid Head, Doodle Head, you can call it whatever you want. But I want it to be the same name as the app, because then I would lose my apps. If I was going to, I'm going to lose my apps. So you're going to hit Roku again. You're going to type Roku again. And then this little icon right here where it says screen name and icon, you're going to click that icon. You're going to choose the photo. And I'm just going to pick whatever photo. I'm going to pick the same photo that's my background. So you're just going to pick that photo. Oh, let's pick a photo of me. I'm going to pick this photo of me. And then I'm going to hit choose. And then it'll be like that. And I'm going to hit add. Done. And it's added to the home screen. So when you go to your home screen, you'll see that you'll have 2 Roku apps on your home screen, right? So, well, it went right here. Let me move it so it's better to see next to each other. Alright, so this is how it would look if that home screen was all full. So you have 2 of the Roku apps. So what you're going to do with the Roku app, do not delete the app. You're going to edit the home screen. You're going to hit that little minus and you're going to move to app library. Moving into the app library keeps the app on your phone, but it will allow you to only keep this part of it on it. And if we were to click Roku right now, it's going to go to shortcuts and take me straight to the Roku app and load up and do whatever it needs to do when it comes to using my computer, my TV or whatever. So yeah, I hope that was not a lie. I hope that helped you guys. Those are the 3 steps. So you need Pinterest, you need Widget Smith, color widgets, and you need the shortcuts app. The Pinterest, you just want to go in. I'll post a video right here so you can see like exactly what things I search. If my aesthetic is not your aesthetic, so you can do whatever you want. For example, my sister is more into the holistic chakras kind of thing, so we're doing hers based on that. Like each chakra has its own page and we're coinciding her apps with her chakra, which is why it was taking too long. I had to get this video up for y'all. But yeah, I think that that's a good way to do it. It depends on your aesthetic. If you want to be super girly like me, I'm posting all of the stuff that I put right here on Pinterest to find that. It doesn't matter what you do. We're finding her images on Pinterest too. She wants a lot of words of affirmation, a lot of the neon signs, and she wants all of those kind of things just to match those colors. So you can do whatever you really, really want. And like have fun, be creative, and just know that it's very tedious. It took me hours to do mine. So keep in mind it's going to take you hours if you're going to go ahead and do it. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too long. I hope you can understand. If you have a question, don't be afraid to leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to join that flower gang by liking, commenting, sharing. You already know, good things. Subscribe, of course. It's free, I promise. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.